Ruijie Pro for alarm management and configuration delivery. To address the alarm redundancy problem at customer sites, Ruijie Pro has upgraded the alarm solution. This solution merges alarm information, supports alarm event customization, and offers alarm exemption and batch configuration of alarm statuses. In this way, precise alarms can be generated, meeting customers' service requirements and boosting O&M efficiency. On Ruijie Pro, choose Monitor Warning. You can view alarms of switches, wireless devices, controllers, and terminals. Choose Event Management from the navigation pane to customize the severity levels of alarms. Here, you can set the severity levels of alarms in a batch or batch enable or disable alarming for specific events. You can also filter alarm events by severity level in a batch. Choose Switch from the navigation pane. To access the Switch Alarm page, click Alarm Settings and select Set No Alarm from the drop-down list. Enable the No Alarm function to exempt alarm events based on specific time periods, areas, and device roles. Check General and slide to view alarms of the corresponding severity levels. Select the alarms and click Batch Set Processing Status to set the status of all alarms on the current page to resolved. Upon identifying a device alarm, you can use Ruijie Pro to directly access the web CLI or web management platform of the device and deliver service configuration to the device. To access the web CLI, simply click a device on the topology to show the device details pane and click Web CLI. Alternatively, select a device in the device list, click the icon in the action column, and select Web CLI from the drop-down list. Then, run the Show Run command to view device status details. You can also select Web Management from the drop-down list to access the web management platform of the device. Thank you for watching the video.